Hello there, and welcome to SKALD Crafts the tutorials. Today we're going to have a leather fatting tutorial. Let's get cracking. Fatting your leather is actually really easy. You just need a cloth and some fat. All you have to do is take your cloth and dip it into your fat. Then dab or massage it onto your leather depending on its dryness. Make sure that you're doing this in a relatively warm environment. You can apply the fat to all types of leather, and you should refat your leather every few months or twice a year, depending on how much weather, rain or sun it is exposed to. Although some cheap leather or sealed leather won't react to the fat. Make sure to get the fat everywhere on the leather and apply it evenly. Don't worry about applying too much, because you can always spread it onto the rest of the leather or wipe it off. When you apply the fat, your leather should look much darker, but once the fat soaks in, the color should go back to normal. Alright, that's us done. We've fatted the whole gamson. We've put our leather care product all over it. It's a little bit darker now, but the fat will soak in and it will do the leather some good. My gamson will survive a few more months before I have to take care of it again. Everything smells of beeswax now. It's a great smell. I like it. Usually people complain about stuff I do in the office, but they don't tend to complain about the leather fat. Yeah, so I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys will take care of your leather, and see you next time. Goodbye.